So also we have various clubs that are active in the campus. So we have the production club, we have music club, we have Muslim club, we have a Christian club as well that started. We do have a big long list of alumni, and we do support our alumni. So we have a platform that we've created for them where they're able to upload their work, their portfolios. ADMI students get to enjoy real life projects while they are still in school. We have various partners that we work with that contract us as ADMI to cover their events, the production mostly. And what we do is we take our students for these events. So if it's a paid client, we do pass the payment over to the students as well who participate, so that they get to earn a living as well, and they understand how it feels to get contracted, do a job and get paid. Some of the ones that we've covered previously is Nairobi Fashion Week. We've done that for 2 years. We're covering the Miss Teen Universe competition coming up. We have Open Cinema that got postponed because of the chaos that were going on last week. But it's coming up. We're covering that production as well. And the biggest one I think that we have coming up in September is TEDx Nairobi, which we will be covering. So what happens is we have a faculty who's a producer, who is now the one tasked to coordinate the students. And she works with them and guides them and makes sure that we're delivering. Because at the end of the day, we have been tasked to deliver this to a client. So we make sure that the production is top-notch. In addition to that, when we have events in campus, any events we have, it's our students who do the production. In fact, recently, in the clubs, student clubs, one of the clubs that started is the production club. And so what they do is they're covering all events in campus. Instead of having our staff cover events, it's the students covering events. For instance, the Parent Appreciation Day is covered. The production is done by the students. The sound is done by the students. The band is the students. Everything is all round students. Also, when we have any shoots that we need to do for marketing, sometimes the students are involved because for them it's learning, and they get every opportunity they'll take to learn. So also we have various clubs that are active in the campus. So we have the production club, we have music club, we have Muslim club, we have a Christian club as well that started, and all these clubs are very active. They have a patron who is a faculty member who kind of guides them, but they also have a president who's a student who now leads that. So they do this meetings mostly Fridays, and once a month they organize events, special events. Like for example, during Ramadan we had an all iftar dinner here organized by the Muslim club, and they invited all students and faculty and staff. So it's not just for the Muslim, but all round. And also we have ADMI Cares, which is our CSR. So we maybe get food together, students and faculty and staff bring food or clothes, and then we go to a children's home and we're able to do these activities together as a team. So overall, since ADMI started, we've trained in here campus over 4,000 students who've gone through our training and graduated. But in general, we've trained over 25,000 people in over 40 counties in this country. So we do have a big long list of alumni, and we do support our alumni. So we have a platform that we've created for them where they're able to upload their work, their portfolios, and then when our employer partners, who we have over 450 plus employer partners, when they need anything, we just connect the employer partners to the alumni, depending on the need. So we give them this opportunity as a connection. We also invite them, like right now we're having focus group discussions with them to see how better we can support them, in addition to the platform that we're giving them to be able to upload their portfolios. So we do have a very active alumni association They come in during parent appreciation. We'll have an alumni come in and talk to parents and encourage students during orientation, the new students joining, giving them the story of their journey here at ADMI and what they learned and what the students should take advantage of. So that connection is still very active and it's a continuous. And the student programs desk is tasked with this. So that's one of the things that they do as well, which is managing the alumni. We have our core values here at ADMI are actually the acronym ADMI. So the A is ambitious, disruptive, mission-driven, inspirational, and fun. So the fun is the dot. When you look at ADMI, there's an I at the top, and that's the fun part. So we want everyone who comes into our campus to enjoy what they do. We want the students to have fun in class, have fun out of class, enjoy being in the campus. We are very much aware that we are disruptive. We are disruptive because we challenge the status quo. We don't want to fit in a box, and our students don't fit in a box. If you think about it, some of our parents struggle when their children are creative because they don't know what to do with that, because they're not in the real mainstream careers. So they're creative, they're different. So we understand, we are disruptive. Staff is disruptive, but we're disruptive in a very constructive way. So that's our core values. We've had stories where parents, they struggle to bring their children to ADMI because they want them to go into the career path, the traditional career paths. But then when they do come here and they see that, oh, actually, this is a place where my child fits. Not only do they fit, they're learning, and they get a job. That's how parents sign up for us to come to ADMI. And our values are, we try and live our core values in everything that we do, both for faculty, for staff, and for students as well. Everyone is welcome here. If you want to learn, if you want to grow and you're in this space, you're welcome here and you can do all that. It depends on the kind of person that the student is, because we also have introverts who come in and they're still able to fit in one way or the other, even though they're in their own shell and they're very, reserved. So that really helps a lot to create, and it's an advantage that we have. And that's why we are very intentional when we are hiring, faculty especially, to bring people who are in that space or currently in that space and actively practicing.